Welcome to the 𝐒𝐭 Smart Door Lock tutorial, designed to provide security and convenience. In this guide, we will walk you through the basic operations of your new smart lock, how to unlock your door. Using your passcode, simply press the star button, then enter your 4 to 8-digit passcode on the keypad. Press the pound button to confirm. The lock will disengage and you can open the door. Using your key card, tap the key card on the keypad. The keypad will light up. You will hear a beep indicating the door is unlocked. Using your physical key, insert the key into the keyhole, then turn the key to unlock or lock the door. You will hear a beep indicating the door is unlocked or locked. To add additional passcodes, press the star button and the hash key button. It will ask for your admin information. Enter your admin information and press the pound button. Press 1 to enter passcode registration mode. Enter the new passcode, then press the pound button to confirm. It will say Operation Successful if new passcode is successfully registered.